take a look at the React Mobile Dispatch Center. To get started, we will sign into our account. The Dispatch Center is made up of 4 distinct parts: the dashboard map, the alert log, the customer list, and the system information screen. In this video, we will take a look at all 4 main features of the Dispatch Center. To start, let's take a look at the dashboard map. This screen will show you all active alerts that are currently being alerted by users using the React Mobile application. When an SOS alert is activated, it will display on this map, and the user will receive a push notification just like the one shown here. So we can see here our user has activated an SOS alert, and we have a button here that allows the dispatcher to set this alert as a false alarm. We can close this alert if we want to just see the pin, and we can zoom way out if we want to see what this looks like on a more zoomed out map. We get a counter here in the upper right hand corner of the current number of active SOS alerts in the system. Next, let's take a look at the alert log. This screen serves as a list of all the active SOS alerts. If we want to see the alerts that are no longer active, we simply toggle the switch here in the upper right hand corner, and this will show us the list of inactive alerts in the React Mobile Dispatch Center. If we want to view one of these alerts, we simply press the blue button that is here on this alerts list entry. This opens up the alert detail view, where once again we can see the user's photo, their zoomed in location, their zoomed out location. We have an option to open this alert if we want to in Google Maps. And then down here we can see more detailed information about the user as well. Again, their name, first and last name, their latitude and longitude, their phone number, email, the date that the alert took place, and the time the alert took place. If we want to turn off one of these alerts, we can simply set it as a false alarm, either here in the alert detail view by pressing the Set as False Alarm button, or we can do this from the dashboard screen by simply pressing the Set as False Alarm button. The user is then prompted to make sure that they definitely meant to set the alert as a false alarm, which they can confirm by pressing the red Yes, I'm Sure button. Now this alert has been removed and the dispatcher has received a notification letting them know the SOS alert is no longer active. If the user has minimized the dispatch center, which we'll do now, and a new alert is activated, the dispatch center will be refocused automatically as soon as the alert is received by the dispatch center. Let's see this in action. We're holding an Android here as we film this video, which we are now using to activate an SOS alert. The alert has now been activated, and the dispatch center will be focused here in just a moment. And there it goes. Notification is received, and it's popped back up here in front of the user to make sure they saw the incoming SOS alert. Once again, we can turn this off by pressing the Set as False Alarm button and confirming that this was a false alarm. Next, let's take a look at the Customer List module. So this feature is used to manage users in the system. You can see here we have a list of all of the current users that are part of this client. We can remove one of them by pressing the red Remove button. And once again, we'll receive a confirmation dialog to make sure that is what we wanted to do. And we simply click Yes, I'm Sure. If we want to associate a new user with our system, we can simply add their user email here into this field and press the blue Add Customer button. Next, let's take a look at the System Information screen. This screen gives you the current version of the system as well as the user's client ID. It gives them access to their web signup URL, and it gives them the ability to test and make sure their push notifications are being received on the computer they've installed the dispatch center in as they're expecting. They can simply press the Send a Test Notification button, and a test alert will be sent like the one seen here. The user has the ability to log out by rolling over the options pane and pressing the green Log Out button. If they need help using the system, they can also press the red Get Help button. If on any screen the user would like to have more room to use the system, more screen space, they can use the hamburger menu here to hide the side menu, or open it back up. And the app supports a full screen view, so they can simply press the green button if they want to use the entire available screen space here on their device. That is the React Mobile Dispatch Center demo video. Thank you for watching.